Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to disable notifications for live videos on Instagram, specifically for those using a PC. With Instagram's latest update, it's now super simple to manage your notifications. Let's get started. First, open your Instagram account on your computer. Make sure you're logged in so you can access all the settings you need. Next, look to the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see a More icon, which looks like 3 horizontal lines stacked together. Click on that to open up a menu with additional options. Now, from this menu, select Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can adjust various aspects of your account. Once you're in the settings, find the Notifications section. This is where you can manage all your notification preferences. Click on Push Notifications. This will bring up a list of different notification types that you can customize. Finally, scroll down to the section labeled Live Videos. Here, you'll see an option to toggle notifications on or off. Simply choose Off, and you're done. And that's it. You've successfully disabled live video notifications on Instagram from your PC. This way, you can enjoy using Instagram without being interrupted by constant notifications. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.